Today we'll solve this tailgate vibration problem in this Avalanche. Going down the road, it can be very annoying hearing this noise. And at the same time, it lets water through the seal between the top and the tailgate. One of the causes for this is missing rubber bumper stops that should be on each side of the tailgate on these brackets. Obviously they got lost. And we just ordered two to install them. They can be ordered online. I'll leave a link. These are a perfect fit for either left or right. They should fix the annoying tailgate rattle. They easily slip on this bracket, but they easily come off as well. Most people don't even realize they lost them, so it's something to keep an eye out. This is a real bad design by GM. After installing them and shut the tailgate, they fixed the loud rattle, but still has some play. There's something else we can do to resolve the rest of this play. To completely get the play out is to adjust the pin on each side. Taking off the tail light will give us access to the nut and we'll loosen the pin and adjust it forward. There's two screws holding the tail light. After taking them off, it just pulls right off the fender. Just be careful with the pins. Once removed, you can loosen the nut behind the pin. You will need a T-type driver to hold the pin. Don't remember the size. You'll need that to hold it from spinning, and a 15mm socket on a ratchet. You can also use a vice grip, by the way, to hold it, but you wouldn't want to damage that. It just needs to be loosened, not taken off, just enough for it to be able to slide forward just a 1/16 of an inch, and then tighten it back up. Once we do the same to the other side, we close the tailgate to see the difference. The end result should be no gap between the top seal and tailgate. It should be just a little flex with the seal. You can keep adjusting the pin forward and back as needed until it's flush. Once that's done, we just put back the tail lights on both sides and we've solved that annoying tail rattle. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.